Hey everyone, I wanted to take a moment to talk about my very first Raspberry Pi project, but first I just wanted to start off introducing Clover. This is Clover, and he's a rabbit, as you can see. He's a Florida white specifically, so he has lovely blue eyes. And Clover lives with me here in New York City, and that kind of gave me the inspiration. Nice yawn, Chloe. That kind of gave me the inspiration for my first project, which let's go have a look. So it gets quite hot here in New York City. In the summertime, you can see Manhattan there off in the distance. And all I have is this old-fashioned type of analog air conditioner. You can see it's just got these knobs that you can turn to set it as you need, and no real way to control it otherwise. And I thought, well, if I'm out and about or taking a quick trip, what can I do to make sure Clover is nice and comfortable in here while I'm away? And so I came up with the idea of building a digital thermostat, or a digital air conditioner controller. So it's a digital controller for my analog air conditioner. So here are all the parts. The Pi that I'm using is a Pi Zero wireless, and that runs to my breadboard. And then plugged into the breadboard over here, I have this little guy, which is a DS18B20 temperature sensor. And then the last piece of hardware that's obviously critical to this whole thing is this controllable relay from Digital Loggers. And you can see this is the power source for the air conditioner, which is plugged into one of these outlets. And so basically, the way that it works is, well, probably like you would expect. The Pi runs a script that periodically checks the temperature from the sensor, and if the temperature has gone above a particular threshold, it'll turn the relay on, which in turn will turn the air conditioner on. So let's check it out. It's pretty hot today and I'm about to leave to go to work, so let's make sure Clover's nice and cool. Since I've got the wireless Pi, it's very easy for me to just SSH right into it from my Mac. And here I'm connected, and I'm in my AC controller project, and let's see what happens. There it goes. And so that'll check it every 30 seconds. I just kind of set that arbitrarily. And if the temperature drops below a particular threshold, it'll turn the unit off and then actually keep it off for a short period of time as per the manufacturer's recommendation. But anyway, so that's my first Raspberry Pi project. I'm really appreciative of some tutorials that I found that were published by Adafruit, which is also the company that I ordered some of this hardware from. So I'll put some links in the description of the video to my source code and just some of the different products and tutorials that I use, just so y'all can check that out if you want to build your own digital AC controller to help your rabbit stay cool, or whatever you want to keep cool. All right, everybody, that's it. Thanks so much.